discuss very important topic, how to increase the page awareness, how to increase my page likes, and how to increase my video views and my Facebook earnings. So when you increase your Facebook earnings purpose, they require minimum 3 minutes videos, watch for 1 minute. Within the 60 days of time, we can reach by 30,000 views. They give time particular video only for 60 days. The watch minute will be 30,000. 1 minute match will be mandatory. The video require minimum 3 minutes. And next one, any Facebook page likes are not considered. They consider by the followers. So coming to your page, the likes will be 219, followers will be 231. The followers will increase more than 10,000. So how to increase my followers and how to increase my video views? That is called, first of all, you can upload the videos on your Facebook page, every video. So only for direct upload videos, not for YouTube videos, not for the any other videos. So this one, upload done. After that, go to your Facebook page. How to increase my brand awareness and the views? Select your profile option. Click for watch party. Select it. Watch party. They can reach your profile friends at a time. Multiple people will receive by your video on particular watch party option. Select here. Selecting for create a post. Let's go to this. So after the showing for this kind of option, here you can mention by video or page. So already my page is there. My page will be Digital Rakesh. Copy, paste it. Automatically pages will be appear here. Add the all videos. What are the videos you can upload? Add the videos. Only select by the relevant videos and people watching for digital marketing. Done. It's clear. Sometime will be close your button. Add to nothing but we can add your list by particular videos. Now click for done. Select it. Digital marketing training. Video tutorial. Right. Digital marketing. In this, two advantages. First of all, you can promote by videos. Second, we can promote by your website views and YouTube traffic. I'll show the two URLs. One is the website traffic. Second will be promoted by the YouTube channel views also. So any video when you promote in time, you can share your website link and the YouTube link is mandatory. Sharing by the website link and the YouTube link will be mandatory. Select it. Video tutorial. what are the content you're posting here. Next. Okay, copy this one. Mining for total 12 videos. Now click for tag your friends. I'm tagging here. So I'm tagging to any persons. So after that, click for post option. Anytime people reaching for tag your friends also, they're getting for notification by watching the videos. So they give watch videos. What are the videos you can upload? They give you the same title by your watching the video time. So they are studying for about your beginning start. These all will be people watching for your particular option. So automatically the profile people are watching your video on your Facebook profile and invite any persons. It will be here. So what are the people are active right now? You can invite. These are people are active right now. This is only possible by your particular option. So here, when showing for blue tick mark, it will be available by your particular option. See this. So everyone can sharing by this option. So this is called it increase your page views and page followers and your page. Your option will be here. How many people are watching? The count will be showing for here. When you invite the peoples, it will be here. Any people can invite. Clear? After that, go back. They call leave the page, no issues. Leave anything much. Is running for the your videos. People watching for 2 members. What are the invitation will be done? The people reaching for your particular invitation. Not only profile, this suitable by your groups and you can suitable by the particular Facebook page also. So particular go to groups. This is nothing but it can increase your page views on your page branding awareness. So here select your more option. Any group, the option will be there. The option call is watch party. You can add the multiple groups and multiple pages. Select your page name is mandatory. Done. Share it. Share it. Post. It started by where? Group. You're not only own group, any other existing group also you can post your content. That is called increase your views. And here you can promote everything will be in this option. So automatically your page will be promoted here. This one. Next will be here. So n number of group will be promote. The people reach your videos by posting the any videos. You can share it by one page to another page. When your page admin, you can share it by the particular video by other page also. So other group also. Group will be reaching for new visitors. Group will is reaching for new visitors. So in this one, same here also watch party. So we can select by the more people groups. Which people are getting for more than 1,000, 2,000, the group you can select and upload your content. Unknown groups also. After joining, you can create your video views. So here, you can check this group. 4,000 members are there. Go to watch party. Select your page. Add queue. Done. Paste it. Click for post. It will be, we can't schedule any post by your these videos. It will be started. Whatever you post by your. This call, we can reach the new users. You can watch your videos. The count will be increased one by one, one by one. So when you can post the videos are you are uploading for regularly, your group will be updating. Automatically you will be increased. Which page you can promoting for? This Rakesh page will be promoting in this option. Automatically they increase your views on particular videos and particular page option. Automatically increase by your brand awareness and the page likes. So not only for this one, this option will be suitable by profile, groups, other Facebook pages. For Facebook pages, you all mean me, admin is mandatory. Admin or editor will be mandatory. Other groups and your group we can share it by particular videos on your particular Facebook page views. This is called increase your reach and increase your views also on particular Facebook channel page videos and increase your earnings based on this option. This is called we can increase your views on your Facebook page.